My name is Daniela Nakari. Today is the 6th of July 2025 and I'm in tutorial T15A. So we're just going to open this with Excel. It's in the CSV format, but we'll change that. Heading to File, Save As, File Format, and selecting XLSX. Okay, once that's been done, we can start to format our data. So we'll select it all and auto fit column width. I will also add a filter to the top row. From here, I'm going to order the data by the dates in ascending order. And I'll also double check using the filter. There isn't any spelling errors, so that's good. And we'll make the total amount spent in the accounting format. Now we'll just freeze the panes. So selecting B2, going to View and Freeze Panes to freeze the top row and the first column. Here we'll add in our next column. It's going to be the promotional voucher. And then double tapping the border there just to auto fit that. So this is going to be made up of two different vouchers. The first one will be based off customer type, and we'll use the ifs function for that. So heading to formulas, logical and ifs. So our logical test, we're going to select the whole range of customer types here. I'll have that copied, Command C. So if any of those are regular customers, they will have a voucher of $0. If those customers are environmentally conscious, they'll have a voucher of $15, and the same goes for senior citizens, that they'll also have $15. We'll go done, and yeah, that applies those vouchers. The next voucher will be based off number of purchases and total amount spent, and we'll be using the if function for this. Because it's dependent on two variables, the number of purchases and the total amount spent, we'll use the end function within the if function. So we'll do number of purchases if that's greater than 5, and if the total amount spent is greater than $1,000. Oh. So if that's the case, they'll receive a $20 voucher. If not, they won't get a voucher at all. We'll go done, and then double click that black plus to apply it down. So here we're going to add those two values into the promotional voucher column. Just like so. Same thing, double click there to apply it down, and we'll do a Command C, paste special, pasting values, and then that will enable us to delete those two columns. Here what we have to make sure is that for the customers who applied for both vouchers, that they receive $30 rather than $35. So we'll select the column, use Control F, finding 35 and replacing it with 30. And that's made our replacements. Finally, we're just going to make a pivot table just to display some of this data. So I'll select these three columns, heading to Insert, Pivot Table. We'll add our pivot table just here next to the data. Okay, so customer type will put in rows and promotional voucher will have in values. Oh, it's odd, it's only picked up one customer type. It's strange. I know, they're all there. Okay, we'll use the filter here and we'll get rid of blank just to tidy that up. And we'll just use the accounting format for these and for the vouchers. So that tells us the sum of promotional vouchers per customer or per customer type and the grand total.